A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to continue the last topic of the chapter, that is parturition and lactation. In the previous topic we have discussed about the pregnancy of the 9 months. Now we will discuss how the baby is delivered. So the average duration of the human pregnancy is about 9 months, and that is called the gestation period. Average duration is of 9 months, and this period is known as gestation period. So human beings में, human pregnancy में जो time period होता है, that is of the 9 months, and this time period, this average duration is known as the gestation period. So the act of expelling the fetus from the mother uterus at the end of the gestation period is known as parturition. Act of expelling fetus from mother's uterus at the end of gestation period is known as parturition. Now how this parturition occurs? It is induced by the complex neuroendocrine system. Induced by complex neuroendocrine system. Now what actually happens in this system? Parturition signals are given by the fully developed fetus. When the fetus is fully developed, it gives the signals to originate the parturition. The placenta will induce the mild uterine contractions that are known as fetal ejection reflex. So mild uterine contractions, these are the signals that are given by the fully developed embryo, and this is known as fetal ejection reflex. So this triggers the release of a hormone that is known as oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. This is due to the hormone oxytocin, that is the release of oxytocin. This fetal rejection reflex triggers the release of the hormone that is known as oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. And this oxytocin, this hormone induce strong uterine muscle contraction that leads to the expulsion of the baby from the uterus through the birth canal. So how this process of parturition occurs? The average duration of the human pregnancy is of 9 months, that is known as the gestation period. This is basically the act of expelling fetus from the mother uterus at the end of the gestation period, that is the parturition. This is induced by the complex neuroendocrine system that on completing this process of pregnancy, the parturition gives the signals in the form of the mild uterine contractions that are known as fetal ejection reflex, and this is then further triggers the hormone that is known as oxytocin that is released by the maternal pituitary, and this oxytocin further gives a strong uterine, induces a strong uterine contraction that leads to the expulsion of the baby from the mother uterus through the birth canal. Now after this the another process starts that is known as the lactation. After the delivery of the baby, after the birth of the baby, the next thing that starts in the mother's body is the process of the lactation. Now as I told you, the human beings are the mammals, so they produce the mammary glands. So mammary glands differentiate, undergo the process of differentiation, and they start producing milk at the end of the pregnancy, and this is what known as the lactation. The mammary glands of the human female, they undergo differentiation and they start producing milk at the end of the pregnancy. This is called the lactation. This helps mother in feeding the newborn baby, and this milks come out from the mammary gland during the initial days of the lactation is known as colostrum. The very first milk that comes from the mother breast is known as the colostrum, and this is very useful for the newborn baby as it contains many antibodies and nutrients that build up the immune system of the newborn baby. So breastfeeding is recommended by the doctors for the bringing up of the healthy baby. You have also seen the ads on the TV regarding this. This is because the colostrum is very healthy for the newborn baby as it contains several antibodies and the nutrients that help in building up the immune system of the newborn baby and prevent it from many diseases and helps the newborn baby to fight against the different diseases. So this is very necessary for the newborn baby, and this is all about the parturition, lactation and the chapter human reproduction. So here the chapter is completed. That's all for the today. Thank you students.